Hi, this is Maria, and I'm going to share another box that I altered, Cigar Box. Uh, and I made this for a special lady over on YouTube who is in the crafting community. And this is a six and a half by 6 cigar box. And the paper line that I chose to work with was by Kane Company, Nature, and I believe that's by Susan Wignet. And after I painted the box inside and out with Laguna Blue by Delta paint, I love that color. And I didn't paint the bottom, but I did paint the inside and the outside. And then I used these embossed stickers by K & Company. And they're called Botanical Swirl. And this one says Once Upon a Lifetime. This sticker right here. And then I used this Laguna Blue bling that I found, and a little butterfly. And this acrylic knob was by Tim Holtz. And then I found this really beautiful beaded trim at the fabric store with the blue matched perfectly to my colors, and I adhered that all the way around. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, they're so gorgeous. The color is just beautiful. And then I used a Tim Holtz keyhole ornament plate. I colored the feet with Sunset Orange alcohol ink. Yeah, I didn't paint it. I inked it. And added a few goodies on the inside. I didn't decorate the inside of the box, but I did paint the inside of the box. And okay, well, that's my box. I hope you liked it. I think it's beautiful. And I hope she loves it. And I'll be including a few more goodies inside of her package. And anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch my cigar box video, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. And I thank you for watching, and you have a good night. Okay, bye.